Hello everyone. This printer is HP Envy 6120E. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents with this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi Direct. We connected both via a Wi-Fi network, and this is the printer HP Envy 6100 series. To scan document, you scroll down from the app. This is HP app. Select scan. Then open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. Close the cover. Then from this HP app, once you select scan, go on top to select the page size as A4. Then go back. Source, glass scanner, resolution. The maximum is 300 dpi, is currently in 200 dpi. Then you go back and we want to scan this in color. Then go back and we want to scan this document. If you want to scan photo, then you select photo. So you can see the document and scan are both on the same line. Then you select scan. So sending file. So it's scanning. Successfully sent. Then you wait for the document to process and scanning completed. Then you select, make sure you select full to capture all the documents. Then you select next. If you want to scan the second page, open the glass scanner, turn the other page upside down, then select add on top. The same features. Then you select scan. Successfully sent. It will show you on the LCD screen, successfully sent. And this is the document. Then you select full. Then select next. So once you capture the document, once you scan the document finish, make sure you select full to capture all the edges. Then you select next. So these are the documents we scan. If you are not happy with it, if you want to delete it, you select this three dots. It gives you option for you to edit it, replace it, or delete. But I'm happy with it, so I'm going to cancel it. This document, if you want to share this to somebody via email, you select share. And when you select share, it gives you all the platforms you can share this document. You can send it to somebody via email. Likewise, if you want to save this document, if you want to save it, select save. Then you can give the file name and also select basic PDF. Select the language and the size as A4. Then you select save. It will show you the folder to use. So it will go to personal, download. Then you select save. Your file has been saved. Then you select close. Then to print this document out, you select print preview. The document will be attached. Then scroll down, you select number of copies, use plus or minus to increase the number. So it's currently 1 and the paper is A4. We want to print all. Select print on both sides, long edge, and want to print this in color. Orientation, you can select automatic or portrait or landscape. So this is portrait. Select more option. Quality, you can select automatic, draft, normal, and best. Normal selected. Fit to page, select fill page. Then select back and select print. So this document we scanned is going to print out in color and double-sided. This is the document we scanned and printed out double-sided in color. You can print this document black and white. You can also print it single page. If you want to print single page, you change from two-sided to one-sided, and also the color, change it to black and white. Then you select number of copies, then select print. So we're going to print this document in black and white and single page. Likewise, if you change your mind, you can select cancel the job. Successfully printed. It will show you on the screen, successfully printed. Then you select OK. So this is how to scan document with this printer to your mobile phone, save it to the mobile phone, print it out black and white, single page, and print it out color, double-sided. Thank you very much indeed. This printer deserves your attention. Thank you.